everybody. Hey, I thought I'd show you how to change an air filter today. Most people can do this on their own. It's not that big of a deal. First thing we need to do, grab our safety gogglers and our 1/2-inch impact gun with 22mm socket on it. You know what, folks? We don't need that. Not that difficult. At most, we may need a Phillips screwdriver, maybe a flat blade screwdriver, and in this particular case, I don't need either. Simply unclip the clips here. Slide the box up and out of the way. And here's our filter. This one's got a little bit of dust and dirt in it. Try not to pound these things on the ground to remove any loose impediments. If you just start breaking up the cotton fibers here, the dirt and dust will just flow right through there and into the engine, and we don't want that. So if you can shine a light right through there and you can see the light coming through the filter, then the filter's probably just fine. If you're not sure, go ahead and replace it. Pick yourself up a little more fuel economy. Here we go, we'll just reassemble. Slide this back into place. Make sure my clips are on there. If you do have to disconnect any sensors around the airbox, make sure you plug those back in before you start the car. Otherwise, you can set a code. You might have a check engine light on. It's very simple to do. Most anybody can do it. Give it a try. If you're interested in any of the automotive classes here at Clackamas Community College, or if you're looking to get into a career in the automotive field, check us out at clackamas.edu. We have a lineup of classes in there that you can take a look at. Also, come on up and visit our brand new remodeled shop. We're more than happy to give you a tour, show you what we have to offer. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.